Hey guys, in this video I'm going to discuss the forEach method of arrays. The forEach method executes a provided callback function once for each array element. We have an array of students. Let students equals and make up some student names. In this example, let's make all of the letters lowercase. We'll create a function that will capitalize the first letter of each student name. So I'm going to write SpongeBob all lowercase, Patrick, and Squidward. Let's define a function that will capitalize the first letter of each string. Function capitalize. Now with the forEach method, there's up to 3 arguments that are provided automatically behind the scenes that we have access to: an element, an index, and the array. We don't necessarily need to use any of these, but they're provided for us. But in this function, we will. To capitalize the first letter of each string, this is what we can write. I would like to access my array parameter at index of index equals our element at index of 0. This will select the first character of every string. Dot. Follow this with the toUpperCase method plus element.substring method. Pass in 1. This line right here will capitalize the first letter of each string. Then I will print one of these elements. Console.log students at index of 0. Now to use the forEach method, we will type the name of the array, students.forEach, then pass in a callback as an argument. We will apply this callback to every element in an array. The callback is the name of the function, capitalize. Make sure to not add an additional set of parentheses. That will call the function. We're only passing the name of the function as an argument. This will display the first student, SpongeBob, and the first letter of his name is capital. Let's do this again, but create an additional function to print each student that's within my array. Function print. Up to 3 arguments are provided for us: an element, an index, and an array. We don't necessarily need to use all 3. I would just like to use element. And remember, you can rename these too, such as X, Y, or Z, but I would do something that's descriptive. But this time we only need element. Using console.log, I am going to display each element. And again, we will use the forEach method. Students.forEach, pass in our callback of print. And here we go. Yeah, SpongeBob, Patrick, Squidward. All right, everybody, that is the forEach method of arrays. It executes a provided callback function once for each array element. So yeah, everybody, that is the forEach method of arrays. If you would like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And well, yeah, that's the forEach method of arrays in JavaScript.